Hey,
Me?
yeah, you. Do you ever feel like you can't keep up with anything? Like you're behind the times?
Yes.
Have you ever felt left out because of how much better everyone is than you?
Yes.
Have you been deemed as forever alone? Well, we have the perfect solution for you.
What's this? How is this supposed to help me?
Oh, sorry, wrong thing. Here's. Hey everyone, I'm Mr. Mitchell, and I'm here to bring you a new product called Lightning Supplements. It will help you improve every aspect of your life. Don't believe me? Let's check out some of our satisfied customers. Dang, I'm really weak.
Try some of this.
Well, thanks. What's this?
It's our new product that's bound to help you lift this like nothing.
Oh, thanks. Here.
Why don't you try to lift some weight?
Bring it on! Thanks, Lightning Supplements. So what's your name, sir?
My name is Juan Garcia Rodriguez Martinez Hernandez Lopez Gonzalez Perez Sanchez Ramirez Torres Reyes.
This guy is having some trouble. Let's go see if we can fix him. So what's your name, sir?
My name is Mr. Ching the Bing the Fing the Bing the Bangkok, you know?
So how do you feel about our product?
When you see the product, they do very different, you know?
Okay, so here, try our product. So how do you feel?
That's it.
Okay, now let's have you attempt this amount of weight right here. Let's go.
Okay, let's do this. For my fellow Asians, 40-65. Thanks, Lightning Supplements.
Flores Moreno Diaz Aguilar Alonso Cordero Cortez Chavez Davil Delgado Alanis Rojas Peña.
So Mr. Mayhoff, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, as you know, I am Jake Mayhoff, and well, I've been running for the past 15 years. And I just gotta say, Lightning Supplements really changed my life. Thank you guys. I was slow, like first grader slow, but now I'm fast. Wanna see me run? Ready? Man, that was a fast mile, huh?
Captain America Peter Griffin Finn Jake Mordecai Rigby Han Solo Ash Ketchum.
It probably sounds impossible how such a product could do miraculous things. But now let's go in depth with our top-of-the-line scientists.
Our product has gone through extreme testing conditions with many different types of nutrients and energy. After numerous testing, we have found that copper is a great conductor of electricity and is a vital nutrient to the body. With copper embedded in the supplement, the electricity retains its charge, allowing a person to surpass regular human speeds and strengths. The body absorbs the charge through what we call bioelectrical absorption. The electricity then enters the nervous system and sends an electric pulse throughout the body, causing our cells to utilize energy 100 times more efficiently. With an extreme amount of efficiency and power, our bodies reach levels beyond our imagination.
And this is how it all works right here.
Well, what is this?
What? How can I be so stupid? Ugh. No! No! It's not 2, it's 4. Ugh. How can I be so freaking stupid? This has all been wrong! No! No! It's been 1 + 1 = 4 all along! 1 + 1 = 4! So far, yeah, I probably thought this was only for certain people. But let's see what Grandma has to say about this.
Hey y'all, you wanna know how I go to poo? Man, right now I take this lightning supplement.
Master Chief Santa Sandoval Campos Blanco de Leon the 28th, but my friends just call me Juan.
Lightning supplements are great. If you like having diarrhea all day, this product has been a miracle to me. Ever since my parents left, I have had to take care of my brother, and this product has made that easier for me. Going around town without a car was a pain, and then Mr. Mitchell had shown me a revolutionary product that would forever change my life. I would probably be waking up every day with frustration and stress to get the stuff I need to pull through the day. I'm really grateful for this. Thank you. As you can see, people's lives have been changed by our product. That was our goal of the company all along. with this fast-paced world, all these challenges come to beat us, but our product will help you beat them. Buy our product that has a $5 value for the price of $29.99. But wait, if you call now, you'll get 2 times the supplements and you'll pay us 5 times the money. That's a $10 value for $100. And if you call later, you'll get 1 supplement for the price of 2. That's 1 for the price of 2. Lightning fast results with our lightning supplements. Call now.
This is the bloopers. You keep watching now. This is the bloopers right now. Right now, right now. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Lightning supplements ruined my life. What? No.
Thanks, lightning supplements. All of this has been wrong. It's all been wrong. It's been 1 + 1 = 4. 1 + 1 = 4 the whole time. Why? Ow!
I'm being afraid. Take 2.
Holy Buddha, what the heck was that? This has all been right all along.
Okay, we're good.
How can I be so stupid?
There's no turning back now. Don't give up, don't give up. Never say die. You'll never know how far you'll get. If you don't try, you'll always regret. Every moment we don't fight. We're chasing.
Golly, hurry up!
Listen up.
Dang, I'm really weak.
By standing still.
Try some of this.
Times may be hard, but life only gets harder. And you can reach your goals if you work harder and smarter. Don't waste your time with negativity. Keep your mind on the prize and get as best you can. I keep going and working to make it all worth it.
Here goes 330 pounds of awesomeness.
Are you feeling slow today? Things are going fast paced, but hey, take a lightning supplement today. Feel like all that exercise is harder than eating burgers and fries.
I didn't eat any Pokeballs.
Well,
But the funny
hey,
thing is that
take a
the Pokemon let me. So really
supplement today.
But in the meantime, buy your shirt. It has hashtag committed all over it.
Deal with it, mate.
Feel like you can lift those weights. Always having all those reds or rays.
Hello, my name's Ash Ketchup, and I want to show you my Pokemon shirt. The meter.
It can even help you get the love of your life. If you're in an awkward situation, look no further. Nothing can help you there. I mean, lightning supplements can help you there.
It's yours now.